Hey everybody, it's Abby. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. So, if you've been following me for a little bit, you've probably been wondering why I haven't updated my Pan That palette. And that's because I am going to stop with it and not use it anymore and probably throw it away. So, this is nothing against Shannon and nothing against like BH Cosmetics. Even though, like, BH Cosmetics, if you happen to watch this, please contact Logical Harmony to get certified on her site so I can buy your products. Thank you. So, I was trying to pan this palette, and I haven't made any progress since the last time. And here's the lipsticks. This palette is a little bit older. Well, it's not that old. I didn't get it that, like, maybe a year, 2 max ago. It wasn't when it first came out, I don't think. But the reason why I'm not using it anymore is every time I would do my makeup, my eyes would feel like irritated, and I just thought it was because I had taken a long break from wearing it and my eyes weren't used to it. But, I mean, it wasn't bad. They weren't like, you know, really bad stinging or like watering or anything like that. They just kind of felt like there was something there, you know, just mildly irritated, like if you were outside on a day where there's a bunch of pollen or something. But yeah, so I kind of traced it back to this palette. So yeah, I don't know if there's something, I mean, that didn't do that before. So I don't know if it went bad, or I've never had eyeshadows go bad on me, so this is kind of a new experience. So yeah, I'm just not going to use it anymore, and I thought about using up the shimmery shades as highlighters because they're so pretty as face highlighters, but I'm just not going to deal with it anymore. I mean, if it's irritating my eyes, it's going to eventually irritate my skin, I'm sure. So it's a bummer. I know a lot of people like this palette and have used them up, or have tried to, and it's not going to work for me, so that's why I'm quitting this. And just a warning to other project panners, people that do these kind of videos, that if something is like irritating you, like your eyes or your skin, making you break out, don't feel like you have to use it. Like, I know a lot of people know that already, but you know, just your safety isn't worth the, you know, the production value of your video of using something up. So so yeah, there's just a brief video about why I'm not using this palette anymore. I don't know if I want to do another Pan That palette or not. I just kind of want to go back and forth and use some palettes that I haven't used much. I keep playing with this, I need to put it down. But I'm just going to go through and use some palettes that I've been neglecting since I've been trying to pan that, and yeah, so that's about it. Let me know what you think. Check out, if you want to watch more Project Pan type of stuff, I do have a 5x fall going on, and the update should be coming pretty soon. So I will catch you then. Bye.